northwestern Rockingham County in southern New Hampshire, southwestern Stratford County in central New Hampshire, east central Hillsborough County in southern New Hampshire, southeastern Merrimack County in central New Hampshire until 9:30 p.m. At 8:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hooksett or near Manchester, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Manchester, Hartford, Derry, Durham, Exeter, Northwood, Benton, Hooksett, Barrington, Epping, Epsom, Brentwood, Raymond, Newmarket, Goffstown, Londonderry, Hampstead, Bow, Kingston, and Auburn. This includes the following highways: Interstate 293 between mile markers 1 and 11. Interstate 89 between mile markers 0 and 1. Interstate 93 between mile markers 15 and 36. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Hampshire: Hillsborough, Merrimack, Rockingham, and Stratford.